Well, here's a 50th anniversary 2003 Chevrolet Corvette 1SC Convertible. This car is really beautiful. I wish you could be right here with me and see the shine on this car. Very well kept Corvette. Anniversary red on the exterior, Shale interior, and it has that beautiful Shale convertible top. That's a wonderful color combination. Under the hood, you'll find a 350 horsepower LS1 engine with automatic transmission. Now, factory features include the $5,000 1SC Preferred Equipment Group. We always remind you this has the 50th anniversary package, heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, F55 magnetic selective ride control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, auto headlights. It has performance axle ratio, dual power sports seats, dual zone electronic climate control, Bose cassette stereo system, fog lamps. Everything on this car is power. It has cruise control, ABS, traction control, active handling, loaded with factory options, and best of all, comes with a clean Carfax. And it shows just, listen to this, shows just 4,559 miles. This 2003 Corvette 50th Anniversary Convertible is in very nice condition. The paint is very good with a great shine. The convertible top is very good to excellent, as are the factory 50th Anniversary specific wheels. The interior of this 2003 Corvette 50th Anniversary Convertible shows very good to excellent factory leather seats, steering wheel, excellent center console, and door panels. The car has been fully serviced. All instruments, gauges, lights, turn signals, brakes, engine, transmission, rear end, they're all in good operating condition. Please never assume that this is an average condition Corvette, as Buyavette specializes in hand-picked Corvettes. So give us a call here at 770-414-5552. We always have an outstanding selections of classic and late model Corvettes. Remember, we can ship anywhere in the country, less expensive than you can imagine, and we are an online dealer. You can always stop into our showroom. It's like coming to a Corvette museum, but you can always stop in our showroom right here in Atlanta, Georgia. We're easy to get to. So give us a call and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that notification button. You'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Remember, we're Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you real soon.